guys, today I'm making a little quick video, excuse me, about my Hot Wheel collection. And today I finally completed one of my collections. I still need one more piece, but I collected the essential ones that I needed to finish it off. And this is like the Hot Wheel Go set. So I have all 6 cars right now, as you can see. So we're pretty much good now. Everybody's in the pool now. But I still need to collect one more. And then that would really complete it. And it's like, I think it's like a 67 Camaro. I think this was left. And also added a few other things. Like, I went out and bought the next set of 50 years edition, which is these 2 guys here. And that's the Wagon Beetle and I think it's a Camaro, right? Oh, 67 Mustang, sorry. And so I just need 3 more of these guys to finish off the collection. So that'll be the next thing I'm working on. I also have a few that I went out and purchased. Besides these guys here. Sorry, not enough room. So I just wanted to add these guys to the collection. I thought that was pretty cool. I mean, and this is a Ford, and this is the Chevette. I thought they were pretty cool cars, so I wanted to add them. And then I also did like a few of the Daredevil series. So it's like, I think I have one of these guys here. I'm not sure. So I think I have one of them. But then I just may have both of them. I don't know. Not sure yet. Have to check the collection out. But it's okay. I guess for most stuff, if I have 2 or something, and they're both the same color and everything, I usually give it to the kids so they can have something. And the last thing, I bought my first box set. You know, it's from the movie, the Justice League. We got the Batman car. We have Flash. We have Cyborg. We have Wonder Woman. And we have Superman in this pack. So I don't usually buy packs like this, but I saw this and I figured, hey, this is a pretty good deal. Have all of one set in the same pack. I know I probably could went out and bought like a Batman series or stuff like that, but I don't know. I'm not one to just collect, have a focused collection. I just collect what I like, and I'm happy with that. Because for me, I'm still new to this collecting cars. I guess I need to get some kind of focus and collect the right ones. You know, there's a lot of things I'm trying to learn. I keep hearing people talking about treasure hunts. I don't know exactly what that is, but I figure it out as I go, and that's pretty cool. It's all about the fun. And right now, my dog just took my shoe because he wants to play with me. Go figure. But then you would think he would be tired because we just came in from the park about maybe 20 minutes ago, and he was out there running with a couple other dogs. Mind you, he's the oldest one out there. Looks like the youngest. Yeah, he had more energy than they did. And he just turned 8 Friday, so and he's still hanging in there. He still think he's a youngster, which is all right with me. You know, I'm happy about that. But so guys, hopefully you check it out. Leave your comments, share. I mean, and all the guys who actually collect Hot Wheels, give me some pointers, and you can see if you can help me grow my Hot Wheel collection. And I'll be looking forward to checking out some of your channels about the Hot Wheels and getting information from you guys. So I am Gary. I want to thank everyone who's watching my videos. Comment, like, share. You know, just keep on coming back. Hopefully, each time that you come back, I have something different now to show you what I picked up. So you guys be kind to each other. Collect your Hot Wheels, and I'll talk at you later. Peace.